caterpillar?
Yes.
What you doing? You fill up the bird seed,
Yes.
bird food?
Yep.
Oh, look, we moved from over there and
To
put
here.
over here. Like a triangle. So windy today. Look, it's just blowing all the food around. Alright, so let's look better here. So this bird food is expensive sometimes. They eat a lot. They eat a lot. You're gonna love the food here. Sam, what you doing, good? What you doing? Oh, it's so windy here, look. Oh, it's so windy. I think we're gonna trim that a little bit this summer, okay? So that way it's not really too low to the ground. Alright, go turn on the water for me. I'm gonna spray the water around here so that in case it burn the grass. Just turn it, we turn it back. Oh, wait.